Hey friends, Ryan Dohrn here, your global sales coach. How you doing this week out there in sales land? Thanks for sending in your listener questions. I've got one that was sent in to Ryan at ryandohrn.com from my friend Evan Smith in New Mexico, Las Vegas, New Mexico. Not Las Vegas, Nevada, friends. There is a Las Vegas, New Mexico. Never been there. Very, very cool place. All right. Evan Smith asks, hey, Ryan, I'm looking at evaluating new headsets, looking to improve my sales game. What do you recommend? So, Evan, great question, and I'm going to give you my recommendation, and maybe others down in the comments. You can let us know what it is that you're using. All right. I am personally a big fan of the Jabra Duo Pro. And so this is going to connect through USB to my computer. It's going to connect Bluetooth to my computer or to my cell phone. And I absolutely love this. And the reason is because of both earpieces that are here. So I'm going to be able to cover both of my ears. And I love the fact that it's got a boom mic here on the front of it. I also love the fact that it'll fold up and goes right into my bag really nice and easily. I can operate all day on the Jabra Duo Pro. Jabra, wink, wink. Love your products. Send me some more and I'll talk about them. Love my Jabra Duo Pro. And they've got all kinds of great tools that are out there. This, for me, allows me to be in the car, on a train, make very clear, crisp calls, the noise-canceling features. People don't even know that I'm not here in the office. So I am not a fan of the little earbuds. I've got some earbuds in now, but I'm not a fan of little earbuds from Apple, etc., even though I've got some from Beats that are actually quite good. I really feel like if you don't have this microphone kind of right in front of your face, it's a lot more difficult for people to hear what it is that you're saying. So I think the fidelity here on these is quite good. I love the charging station. It allows me to operate basically anywhere. So I'm on the road a lot, and I take this with me, use it on the plane and things like that. So everything from phone calls to Zoom calls to doing this type of thing, that's what I would recommend, the Jabra Duo Headset Pro. Evan, for you. And if Jabra sends me a couple of them, I'll be sure to send one your way. How about that? So, Evan from Las Vegas, New Mexico, thanks so much for your question. By the way, put some comments down below. There's a lot of great headsets that are out there as well. You don't need this big Casey Kasem mic to be effective. All right, if you got questions for me, send them in. Thanks, Evan. Ryan at ryandohrn.com. Head over to the website for the podcast, blog, and so much more. Always happy to help you with your sales game. Hey friends, don't forget, if sales was easy, everybody be doing it, and they're not. So we are the chosen few to get out there and sell products and services, and we can feed our families for a lifetime. Loving this world of sales. All right, friends, we'll see you with more Q&A next week.